welcome to yet another video for my crochet series for beginners. So today I'm going to share with you which different sizes of crochet hooks are available and what can we make with those. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to talk about different sizes of crochet hooks. So if you are interested in making doilies, these are the hooks which I would recommend. So this is a size 1 millimeter, size 1.25 millimeter and 1.75 millimeter. These are the most tiny crochet hooks which I have, and I suppose they have much smaller sizes than these as well, but this is the one which I've been using lately for making my doilies. This is the 1.75 millimeter. I will show you some of the examples of doilies which I have. So this is the one which I made. This is a very cute pineapple pattern, and as you can see, this is very intricate there. Yeah, and let me go ahead and show you one more. This is like one of my favorite, and this is also made using 1.75 millimeter crochet hook. And this is a spiral pattern. Okay, one more thing which I would like to say, that these are not my patterns. I have made these doilies using YouTube videos or Pinterest or Ravelry.com patterns. So yeah, one more doily which I would like to show, which again I have made using 1.75 millimeter hook, is this one. And this is a very beautiful floral doily. So these are the doilies which you can make using 1.75 millimeter hook. As you can see, this is very intricate guys. So for that we need a hook which is like really small, and this is the perfect one which fits the bill. So okay, so let me go ahead and show you my next set of doilies which are made using little bit larger size hooks. So this is one doily. I hope I can show this fully in front of you guys because this is quite long. So this is a pineapple doily again, and it looks something like this. So this doily has been made using cotton thread, and I will show you. So yeah, so this is the hook which I used to make this doily. It's a size 4 millimeter hook. As you can see, it is definitely a little bit bigger than 1.75 millimeter hook. And so yeah, so these are the doilies which you can make using a bigger size hook. So yeah, you can definitely make doilies using big size. And let me go ahead and show you one more. This is again one of my really favorite ones. So this is again a doily which I used again the same size 4 millimeter hook and cotton thread. So this is the one. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, so these kind of doilies you can definitely make using little bit bigger hooks. Yeah, so let me go ahead and show you what next can you make. So the next set of hook which I'm going to show you is size 5 millimeter. I hope you guys can see. Okay, so this is the hook which I was recommending. This is the hook which I think if you're new to crochet, if you have never crocheted before, this is the hook you should start with because it's very easy to hold, and it's very easy if you're starting new and if you have never done it before. So this is a cap which I made using this hook, size 5 millimeter hook. Again, this pattern I found on YouTube. If you want, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will definitely link the pattern. So yeah, this is a cap which I made using that hook, and this is one more cap which I made using this one I used size 5.5 millimeter hook, which is slightly bigger than size 5 millimeter hook. You can definitely go ahead and use size 5 millimeter. So it depends on whatever you prefer, but for this particular cap I used a size 5.5 millimeter hook. As you can see, I love the pattern, it's so beautiful, and this is just made using front post double crochet and simple double crochets. Okay, now one more thing which you can make using size 5 millimeter hook are scarves like this. So this is a very long scarf, and this one I used a variegated yarn. So variegated yarn is a yarn where you get similar shades in one particular ball of yarn. This is the scarf which I made using variegated yarn and size 5 millimeter crochet hook. One more scarf which I made. This scarf I made using 3.5 millimeter hook. I hope you guys can see this properly. Yeah. So as you can see, this was a different thread. This is quite thin as compared to the previous one. Hence I used a 3.5 millimeter hook. So if you want a similar, this is my own pattern. I didn't use any YouTube videos or anything. I made this myself. So yeah. The last one which I would like to show you is again a cap, and this is a winter cap. So this I used size 6 thread, which is a bulky thread. So for that I used size 9 millimeter crochet hook. As you can see, this is very big. So this hook you can use with this bulky yarn. I hope you guys can see properly. This yarn is quite thick, and it's not like other yarns which I showed you before. So for this type of thing we need a bigger size hook. Okay, so that was, I think that was the largest size of hook which I used, but again I have something bigger than that. So I have a 20 millimeter hook. As you can see, this is very big, and a 25 millimeter hook. So these hooks you can use to make blankets. So this I have not made anything yet with such big hooks, but I would definitely like to make something in the near future. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please let me know in the comment section below which other crochet videos would you like me to make, and I will definitely look into it. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and happy crocheting. Bye bye.